So the next section is programming the actual microbit. So I'm going to talk about the different programming languages we can use. I'm going to show you the language that we're going to use. I'm going to show you how to use the code editor, how to navigate that, and just talk more about that. Anyway, so let's hop onto the computer screen here. Graphical code editor. So this is what a graphical code editor looks like. As you can see, there are a lot of tabs on the side, with different functions. There's a simulator built in on the side, on the left hand side. So imagine me press on button A, press, show number. I'm just showing you the input, don't worry too much about this. Let's say show number 4. So if I run the code on the side, if I press button A, you can run code here. So you don't need to flash the code on your actual microbit. You can just do it on the online simulator on your computer. Anyway, enough about that. There are a couple of different languages that we can use to program. We're on makecode.microbit.org, but if we go to their website, we can see that they also have a Python editor. So if we use the Python editor like here, we can type up code over here. But this looks scary for a first-time user, and we don't need to do that. So we can come here, and I'm just again putting a block of code here just to show you. If we come here, we can also click on JavaScript at the very top right button, press this, and once you switch to JavaScript, you can see our code that we've done in sticker format has been converted to text format, which is great because slowly as you create projects, what you can do is actually you can refer back to JavaScript here and see what the code looks like. This will help you transition in the future. If you want to make more advanced text-based code, you can look at code here and learn as to how the code is working. Both block-based, the sticker programming, JavaScript, and Python, all of these use the exact same computer science principles, and any project that we do will be the exact same procedure for all three programming languages. It's just the syntax, which is the intricacies and how a program works and is written. So just the syntax is slightly different, right? And also just a few functions might be slightly different. So like if you want to show LED, like a microbit has an LED screen, right? So if you want to show a particular LED, you might show it using a different function. Again, we're going to talk about all this further down the course. I'm just giving you sort of like a heads up, sort of like showing you like a glimpse of what programming languages are available. We'll be using blocks throughout the course, but you can always just switch to JavaScript and look at what's happening. Or if you're competent and you know Python, you've learned Python from other courses, you can of course do the same exact projects on Python as well.